Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to organize citations with Scholarly AI. So without wasting much more time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to organize citations with Scholarly AI, all you gotta do is simply go to Scholarly. Once you're in your Scholarly account, all you gotta do now is simply get logged in into your account. So after you have done this, Scholarly helps organize citations by simply creating structured summary flashcards of the papers, letting you sort them into custom libraries or folders. Example, you can simply write into read, accepted, rejected, and stuff, and export bibliographies in format like RIS, BibTeX for Zotero or Mendeley, while also revealing citation context and comparing papers to build strong literature review efficiently. So you can also manage them by creating libraries, using folders, sorting by criteria like citation count, and exporting irrelevant data into matrices or citation files. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.